Hello everybody and welcome back to another Reaper Airsoft video. You join me back at the factory again, and today I'm playing covertly in my Leafsuit with my Silverback SRS A1 and my Tkyo Marui MK23. Also, I'd like to seize this wonderful opportunity to say thank you to airsoft.ro for providing me once again with the BBs for this gameplay. Now, as you can see here, my camera is turned on and ready to go. But unfortunately, I forgot to plug it into the battery, so its battery wasn't really charged too much, so unfortunately the first shot I didn't really catch with the zoom cam.
Headshot.
Later, after the game, the guy told me that he never saw me coming and he had no idea where I shot him from. And my camouflage hides me so well that he couldn't see me not even after I killed him. Which is a really huge compliment. After a little while, I returned towards our base because there are enemy players attacking our base and trying to take away our flag.
Zolán, gyere hamar ide! Ide, hamar! Most mennek át, vigyelj hátul, most mennek át! Lőjed!
And that's pretty much it when it all started going to shit.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Ha? Vadå? Da, Lola. Zi ceva!
After successfully eliminating 3 enemy players, I head into the enemy base to check for the flags that we are supposed to capture. Unfortunately, all the flags were already taken by my teammates, so I decided to retreat on the outside area of the playing field. After retreating into the tall grass behind the enemy base, I decided to set up a hide position and try to take enemy players by surprise and try to take them out as they're trying to come out of their base. Now unfortunately, it seems that the wind was blowing some of my camouflage of my sniper right onto the lens of the zoom cam, or it was the tall grass, I don't know, but unfortunately it seems that I cannot get that crystal clear picture image that I want to show you. Well, there is one more guy that I did not expect at all to be here. The best part of being covert is that the enemy never really knows when you are striking from. And right now it seems that the suppressor of my MK23 turned into a rattle can. After being in the same spot for a pretty long time, I decided to move up and change positions because after a little while the enemies kind of figure out where you are and they're going to start hunting you down.
Hit!
Well, somebody really wanted that flag. Well, time to try and take it back.
Armor!
Well, the enemy hit me in my pistol and I call gun hit, but actually, you know, since I don't have an actual backup for my backup, I'm just gonna take my hit and go to the respawn. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so that you are notified by YouTube every time I upload a new video and you are in the know. Don't forget to share to your friends because they might also like it too, and see you on the next video or out on the field. Have a good one.